do you think this is too cool?
We're coming in like, oh yeah, we're not playing part.
I don't even like this game.
Let's go,
Guaranteed to win.
Yes. Yeah.
You're running another timeout.
So just another centering pass and timeout?
Yeah.
I love it.
That's what we're drawing up.
Yeah. How do we effectively use our timeouts?
We use our third timeout.
We're running a bird.
Yeah.
Sweet. Hey, it's been a minute. This is our first time. Yeah.
Hey, Eric!
Yes, Alexis, you got it!
Eat!
Actually, you got it.
Wait a minute. Come on.
Yeah, right.
The Mechanics went out with like a win in the last 10 games.
Yeah, they beat. Yeah.
Tossie, back up. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, I was leaning in. Did you cash?
The dice!
Chris, what you well, my Jack. Give me that shot. Home!
Derek, you're hot! Right! Right!
Hey, great job, D-line! Hey, don't worry about it, that's a hole! Let's go, BoxCar! Heads up!
Hey, Benzo!
We're basically handlers, work up the field, and then give it to you guys.
Yeah. So
But that was no, you're good in terms of, no, that's fine. Yeah. I didn't give you a Hey, Jack!
Oh, yeah.
Come on, baby.
Let's go.
No, I mean, that was fine.
Ladies up again.
James in the one.
Gotta beat him for our leg.
Oh my God. Hey, signs.
Hey guys, coming down this way.
Dude, you're so right.
I was just excited about what happened down there.
Chugga! Inside, chugga! What? Let's get down there! Use the legs! Let's go, Larry! Come on, BoxCar!
Hey, set up!
Tango, not in.
Up!
Deal.
Good hands, Nini.
Another time.
David, yeah.
Switch!
Yeah, Nani. Yeah.
Not in, not in.
Robin, no reset, Robin.
Yeah, Dustin. Sorry. It's not out.
It's her birthday. Don't take her points away.
It's not her birthday. That's a joke. It's not her birthday. We have someone it's her birthday. Yeah. In that case, we don't want to play that. I thought it was a twin. Robin, no lie, Robin.
I can't even see it.
Both of those were in bad.
I told you. I knew it was gonna happen. Like, come on. I knew it was gonna happen. It was more of like this is how it feels like it's gonna be. Not so much.
EK not looking, not looking, EK.
I think they're gonna score.
I appreciate that.
Yes. Hey, hard limbo.
It's like this is a simulation. Controlling it.
Closer, limbo. Closer. Hands down, limbo.
Before he said I was gonna say no, they're gonna score.
Chill.
Yes, that kind of game.
Inside.
Wait!
Go blind, James, go blind.
I see someone coming.
It's kind of like a body mass.
It is fun.
I stopped running.
Are you fucking kidding me? It's like when there's an outburst and it's burst too.
Like I'm like, brother,
Hey, Tossie's here! Let me in!
Yeah, good dice. Good salty.
Robin, she's coming back to
Go, James! Shut up, Talmer!
Good. Help, Brandon. Good job, Brandon.
It's a stop!
I'm nervous.
Hey, push! Hey, David, get set! End zone!
Brandon, when you watch this video, it's fine.
Let's go, Tassie! Let Tassie score!
Yeah, BoxCar, that was a long point. Way to push it through. M1.
Hey, Short.
We're marking it down for Cassie.
Lock together!
Let's go.
Let's go, BoxCar! Let's get this way!
Let's go, BoxCar.
We'll go next time. You start our competition. Yeah, okay, perfect. Choreograph.
Hey Rango, I got stuck in the mud over there. I was like one step away. I hit the mud like,
As soon as I saw him going that lane, I was like,
Me and my girl were like,
Yeah, I know.
you're good, you're good.
Yeah, I was in contact.
Let's go, BoxCar! Chug it, 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 chug it!
I mean, if people hear that, I'm having to be physical back. There's just like
Away, Tony, away, Tony.
you're away.
Forces backhand!
Come in, Tony.
Oh, Tony!
Time, Paul!
Get it back, get it back! And up and deep, Ari! Ari, up and deep!
Up! Up!
Ari, still hot! Ari, still hot! Ari, hot! Hot, hot! Hot, hot!
Up! You got a chance, you got a chance. No round, 9. That's okay, clear chance, clear chance. Up! Come under, Michaela!
Yes, harder. Okay, now back up. Yeah,
Up!
Hey, go, Ari, go through!
It's so
Hey, Paul out, be active.
Chance, stay with him, Chance!
Yeah.
No!
Hey, get it back, Sanji, head up!
At least having something semi-super to lay out on.
Yeah, no, this is nice
Yeah.
kind of compared to where we practice.
Nice and close, Ari. Nice and close.
Yeah,
Keep
yeah.
doing white.
How far was the drive for you guys? Yeah.
Yeah, Eric! That's okay, Eric!
Ari, good hands.
Look at Carrie, Carrie under!
Oh, close, Monty. Closer.
Up!
Ball. Ball on you.
Chance! Chili!
Feel. Ari, all over him here.
Hey, Chance! Stick to your stack!
I'm in your ear.
Hey, look to Tony right now.
Ari looking.
Hey, Tony.
Hey, he's here. Ari, oh.
Hey, look at Chance! You're good, Chance!
Ball.
Chance, stay hot, Chance! Hey, Chance, stay on your toes, Chance! Stay on your toes, Chance!
Get back on D.
Oh!
Come on, baby!
Let's go, Birds!
Nice shot, Lion,
Time out!
Fuck, sit, Saucy! My bad.
That's what I see right here.
Hey, Birds, bring it in!
Birds,
bring it in!
Hey.
Hey, Eric.
Hey, I want to say every single time we're bringing the intensity, you have to use that intensity to still hit your wide open options. We're bringing the intensity because everybody out there is working really hard to get to win. If you see somebody wide open, hit him right away, make the perfect play, make the perfect score, hit your reset, and then it was okay.
At some point, I was expecting someone to call dangerous.
Really great on messages and keep that pressure up. Stay with them, but also
It could be on the other half of the field. Real close. It's an easier D for them and a harder and that's what we practice.
Sorry, buddy. Good throw on that first one.
I feel like he baited you when he jumped.
I still got my fingertips on it.
I like you trying to get me.
Hey, let's go, White.
After the first throw of the shot, so much I overcorrected for you.
I'll get something. Dial in, baby. I trust your throwing.
BoxCar, break hard! Chugga chugga! Chugga chugga! Chugga chugga! I like Brian!
What's it for?
Yes, you do!
I thought it was 7.
Hey, just be slower and you won't run out of it. Too fast. Hey, let's go wide. They just wide.
Hey, someone's open!
And so I guess mine is well. Is he gonna drink it? If he's not gonna drink it.
How you doing, bud? I'm good. All right. It's Sunday. Okay. That's good. Doing all right. Doing all right. Not really doing great, but I played yesterday. So basically, I couldn't get into that's like taking advantage of like like 9 months or something. Yeah. So it was one of those things. I'm like, hey, this is my heart. I could have died.
Put some pressure! Put some pressure! Great play! Great play! Daniel!
Yeah, that's right.
Right, go!
So, no, basically, yeah, never.
Inside out! Chris Wilson! Alex! You got 3 minutes left!
You're just in the right spot, and then you do make cuts every so often. You don't have to. You just walk into the right spot. That might be it. But yeah, so so this is like that. Also, I didn't take care of that. Yeah, I didn't do it. fix that. So now it's like your high risk.
Nice set to end zone.
I think it does go back, yeah.
Plenty of time.
So yeah, but I'm like, well, maybe not. Maybe it's not as good as We'll see. We'll see. Part of the
Hey, what's that like?
So that is.
Wait.
Kind of a weird.
It's mostly just they've had like really good throws that are like
Maddie, stay tight. Yeah, Maddie, stay with you guys.
Do that, go deep, go deep.
what are you talking about?
Inside.
I'm calling.
Plenty of time, plenty of time.
Get there.
Alright, well, that's good.
Win this game.
Let's go, BoxCar!
Staff, great every.
Are we huddling?
Hey, get some water, Barlow! And we get it back. One of my favorite
Hey, 3 minutes to yourself, Burns!